Yo, peace up everyone, my name is Michael and today we're going to learn about time signatures and bar lines and measures. So if we were to have a string of notes like this, just lots of notes in a row, and we had to count it, it might be difficult because we might get lost in the counting and it's not very organized. So what we do in music to make it easier is we add something called bar lines. Now bar lines are just a straight vertical line and they divide the notes up into what's called measures. Now each measure has the same amount of counts. So in this one, for example, we have 4 quarter notes. This one, let's see here, we have 1. Each quarter note is worth 1 beat, and then they have notes worth 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So this measure is 4 beats. And in this measure, in between these 2 bar lines, of course, a whole note is worth 4 counts. So this measure as well has 4 beats or 4 counts. Then we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which of course equals 4. So this final measure also has 4 beats or 4 counts. So each measure is equal, and at the beginning we add something called a time signature. And this time signature is just a set of 2 numbers, and it tells us how we will count the piece. So the top number here, 4, will tell us there will be 4 counts or 4 beats in every measure. Now the bottom number is a little trickier, but the number just stands for a type of note. So if you see a 4 represents a quarter note, as if you had 1/4 or 1/4. So the quarter note will get 1 beat. But the bottom number, if you ask me, it would be easier if you had written it this way. Instead of a number, you would just write the note that the number represents. So 4/4 time, 3/4 time, that sort of thing. But nobody asked me. I was not around when they developed this system. So in a time signature, the top number tells you how many beats per measure,